Okay, guys, you might have heard it has been 8 years since the Switch 1 is released. And now we have something brand new released the Switch 2. So before we get started, my name is Kanishka, and please subscribe to this channel if you are new. And we're gonna be doing the Nintendo Switch 2 unboxing. ASMR.
How did you get the Nintendo Switch 2 now?
So basically, early Christmas. So basically, this month I've been working hard in my school's studies and all that stuff, and then, I got it. So, yeah. So first, we'll tell you about the Switch 1. So the Switch 1 I've been playing on for like, how long? I've been playing on? 3 years, I think. Yeah, approximately that long. So yeah, so we got the like slide-in stuff, all that stuff. But today, we're gonna chuck that. We're gonna go to the new generation of gaming. Okay, so first, what you do if you get the Switch 2, you pull the lever and pull it out. I'm excited. So yeah, oh, got bad stuff, but yes! Let's go! We got the Switch 2 today. That's massive. That's really massive. Okay, then we have the 2 Joy-Cons right here. Camera, please record that. Okay, so we slide these out. And then the exciting bit. That is so satisfying. Like, that is so satisfying. Nintendo, when did you even thought about this idea? Oh, that's so satisfying. Okay. Yep, and then we had inside the instructions. We will not be needing that. The thing for the TV, we cannot use that currently because I'm actually at a hotel. But long story short, yeah. Then we have the mouse things. So basically, it's the same thing on Switch, but on this version, you get a mouse version. Okay, so we open this up. And what you do is you push the button here so it's easier. And then what you do, you attach this on it. And then, yeah, then you can play mouse and all that stuff. Okay, but, yep. Then we have these 2 things, yep, you already know. Then we have the main handheld like thing, so, yep, so we connect this. Oh, that is so satisfying again. But make sure if you get this, because this is really satisfying, this massive thing. Okay, yep, so then I can just play like this. So yeah, then we have the charger, the head for the charger, the wires, because what, like, is it a solar panel? That's funny. If Nintendo did that, I'll be surprised. Then we have the dock. It's pretty cool because it's an inbuilt fan inside of here. So yeah, and then like, yeah, it's a bit curved and better than the last one. So yeah, now we focus on the screen. So basically we have this 7.9 inches and this is 6.9 inches. So let me get this off and show you this difference. So yeah, there's a difference, alright, I guess, yeah. Okay, so we have the main tablet. On the back, we have a better kickstand than a Switch 1. That's like, yeah. It's okay. But, like, this is massive and better. You get what I mean, chat? Okay, so then we have over here the Switch 2 things. We have the magnetic thing. So that's how it's the magnet that connects it. And over here we have the same thing. So, yeah, then we have 2 chargers, so one at the top, one at the bottom, one on Switch. I don't think that's it. We just have it like here. Then we have an inbuilt mic. So for some compatible games, you can do an inbuilt mic thing. So yeah. Then we have the volume button as always. And then this mic is the useless upgrade we ever had. So basically for Switch 1, it's a bit hard to get it. But on the Switch 2, it's exact same. Wait, before that, the back. So yeah, it's bitter and stuff. So it's easier for people who do not have like long fingernails. So yeah, it's easier for them. So yeah, and that is the Switch 2, everybody. But before we end this video, let's do the final click. So then when I play Fortnite or Animal Crossing or the other games, I wasn't even expecting that actually, then yeah. And then also we have this case is the one switch. I forgot to get the case, so sorry about that. I'll get the case soon though, when I travel. Then we don't need these all accessories. Then I can just use these games and connect it to and transfer data and all that. So yeah, so that is my Switch 2. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, and one thing, Mom, Dad, thank you for getting the Switch 2. Because this thing, we got it in the Black Friday sale. But I'm not going to tell the price though. So yeah. Okay, bye. Enjoy the video.